Divorce. It's not an easy decision, but sometimes splitting from your spouse is necessary. And our next guest is here to help you have a healthy divorce. This is attorney DeShon Laraye Pullen. She is a certified family law specialist. Great to see you. You are getting people in your firm who are really at a low point in their lives, very difficult time for them. What is the first thing someone should do?
So the very first step is researching an attorney that you think would fit the needs of your case. So if you have lots of complexities, you would want to consider a certified family law specialist. That's just an added layer of requirements, and then someone who's certified by the state bar in the area of family law. So something depending on the needs of your case, you really want to consider the background and experience of that attorney.
And so once we have decided, okay, this sounds like the attorney for me, how do we make sure that that attorney and that firm don't take advantage of us?
It's really important that research be done on the front end. So if the client really wants to maybe call the state bar, go on the state bar website, make sure there's been no disciplinary action against that attorney, or at least no disciplinary action that makes that person uncomfortable. Also, researching and looking at all the reviews that that attorney has or the firm has. How are they interacting with their clients? What are their clients saying about them? Those are important things to do before you retain an attorney.
Right. So once we've decided, okay, this is the right team for me, you were saying no two cases are the same. You've seen it all. You've heard it all over the years. Is there a bottom line when it comes to the cost of the divorce? And typically, how long does the process take?
So the cost and how long does the process take, they all depend on the complexities of the case, unfortunately. So there is no one cost and there is no one amount of time that a divorce takes. It really depends on whether or not you need business valuations, comprehensive family assessments. Any kind of experts in your case are going to extend the time and the cost related to your case.
So what's the difference between a divorce going to, say, trial and mediation?
So mediation is something that would allow you to resolve your case without having to go to trial. So typically it's a quicker process, a less expensive process, a less formal process. And so you sit in a room with a mediator and your attorney, and you really just try to resolve the case with that mediator. And hopefully you could be done after that day of mediation and not have to go to trial. Trial, on the other hand, is very costly. It takes a lot of time. It's more formal. You sit in front of a judge and there's witnesses and exhibits. And so you want to avoid trial almost in every case if you can.
Yeah, you're airing your dirty laundry in some respects.
Yeah.
But you do recommend though to have an attorney even in mediation.
Yes, it's important to have it. If it's a good financial fit for you, an attorney can be very important in mediation. I should say is very important at mediation.
And how important is that first consultation with the attorney?
The first consultation is really probably one of the most important things that client can do. It's a time to ask all the questions that they have related to their case and really get a good feel if that attorney is right for them. Not only their skill set and their qualifications, but more importantly sometimes is, can they relate to that attorney? They're going to spend a great deal of time with that attorney, and so they really want to make sure it's a good fit.
And you're not obligated in that consultation per se, right?
No, you're not at all. There are people who retain that day. There are people who retain in 6 months. Sometimes 3 years later, I've had people retain. So no obligation. You're just going to get your questions answered and make some decisions that are right for you.
Yeah, make sure you have a good rapport. Thank you so much. Great information as always, DeShon. And we want to give you some information. If you need a family law specialist, the DeShon Laraye Pullen Family Law Office is located in Phoenix. To book a consultation, please call 602-252-1968 or visit DeShonPullenLaw.com.